Okay, man, like I was saying, get your washer here, check it here. Make sure everything's nice and no cracks or nothing like that. Make sure everything's good. I say wash your bike before you do this. It's always a good idea. Okay? Okay, now we got that in there. So, yeah. Tilt your bike up. Make sure everything's nice. Nice and get it all out there. Get it all out. Rock it back and forth. You want to get all that shit out, right? This looks like it's due. We'll be ready to rip in no time. Maybe while you're doing this here, it's a good time to kind of do a visual on your bike too. Make sure it's all good to go, man. Check your chain. I like a nice tight chain. Alright, well, it's coming out there. It's coming out. Make sure you get that all out. Oh. Like I was saying, every about 10 hours or so you want to kind of do this. 10 hours. Yeah. There we go. She's almost done. Almost done. Okay, I think we're pretty good. It's good. So now is not the time you want to go riding just yet. Get that all out. Oh, it's still leaking, guys. Still going. Well, while we're doing that, have a little sip on the tea. Okay, I think we're almost ready. Almost ready to get this party started again. Okay, there we go. We're good. So, like I said, check your washers in there and whatnot. If everything's all good, and just put her back together, man. Like Lego. So what I do is I just turn it on by hand first. You don't want it too tight because you don't want to strip that, and then you got a problem, and that's not good. So just gotta, you're snug, but not super snug. You won't break your arm or nothing, right? Okay, there we go. Slip around to the other side here. There we go. Right? There you go. That's where we're going to fill her in. So, like I was saying, got my funnel nice and clean. Grab my oil. It says 0.8 on this bike. 0.7, 0.8. Thereabouts. Don't want to overfill it or underfill it. Just get her in there. So, got a liter here. So I can put it all in. Put in a good bit though. Pour that baby in there. Check. So that's about a half liter. A little bit more in. See, that's probably about right there. So, and there's a little filler cap on the side. You can see, you want to have it like just kind of over that here, right? For your gear oil. So, I'm just going to take this out, set my funnel down for a second. Put my plug back in. And then just tilt her up and take a little look-see at that. See how we're doing. Make sure your plug's on nice and tight because you don't want to fucking be spitting oil out and shit like that. So yeah, looks pretty good here. Why don't you guys take a little look, see what you think. There we go. Well, JB Weld. JB Weld always works for everything, man. I had a little crack, that was years ago, when I was young and foolish. So yeah, it's about good there. Just check a little bit. I think I'm going to put just a little bit more on this. Yeah, we're going to put in just a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Not much more, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh yeah, baby. Good, yeah, baby. Oh yeah, and we know our plug's in there good. Because we got it, right? Spilling shit all over the place. Pop some more of this in. Not too much, just a little bit. Like I said, that should be good right about there. Okay. Put the plug back in here. Plug back in. I'm going to adjust the throttle on this here and whatnot here, but on the throttle cable because it's been slipping a little bit here. So get that in there. Tighten it. Okay, toss our old one away. We'll clean that up. Yeah. That's how you do it, man. It's simple. Took probably about 5 minutes. Probably easier than filming it. Okay, right on. Well, that's how it's done, people.